So if you're 40 plus and you're wondering to yourself, how am I going to get back into the gym? I'm really not fit enough. Or you have a few little niggles in your body, well, give me a minute and I'll help you. One thing I always try to impress upon people when you're doing Pilates is to get some extension into your body, especially into your appendicular skeleton. Now, I'm not going to be all fancy about that. Your appendicular skeleton and your arms and legs. So what you really need to do is actually extend, okay? If you just have your arms like this, there's nothing happening with the muscles here. They're just hanging there. Make the exercise work for you by extending your fingers out, stretching. You'll feel it working into the forearms, working into your upper arms, and ultimately it'll engage into the core. So you're getting 2 exercises for the price of 1. Who doesn't like that? So if you extend your arms, you open your chest to the front, you'll be getting a lot better in the way of getting your body into the right position. Mermaid, the position I'm sitting in now, you can also do it with your legs like that, although I don't feel it's particularly comfortable. I think most ex-dancers prefer to be like this. You take it over to the side, and you want to get that extension. Okay, you want to feel your body opening up and stretching over to the side. Okay, none of this with arm hanging down. You want to extend, feel the space between your ribs. And when you come back again, bring that arm right over and stretch to the other side. I have to be honest, when I first started Pilates with my back injury, this was very, very difficult for me. But as the years have gone by and I've started actually getting that stretch in properly, it's become one of the best exercises for getting rid of all those little horrible niggles in the bottom of my back. Thank you for giving me a minute. And if you liked it, well, please do hit like and subscribe. And don't feel shy. Comment. Let us know what you'd like to see, how we can help you. And don't forget that soon, if you do like it enough, I'll be asking you to give me 15 minutes. We'll see you there.